Hey, back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim bonus in one week. So, first thing you need to do is just get a promo code just like this one. So, to claim this bonus, what you need to do is just access onewin.com and register on it. Once you register on it, what you can do is just log in your account and you need to make a deposit. So when you are making deposit, you want to you have to choose your currency and then click on one click deposit button. This choose a payment method. You will have lots of payment methods such as Visa, Mastercard, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and lots of other payment methods. So once you have chosen how you are going to fund your account, you can go ahead and make your first deposit, and then there will be option to enter a bonus code or a promo code. So simply enter the promo code you have, so such as this new bonus code, and you will get all the benefits of that promo code. So that's how you can use promo code on OneWin. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.